Norwegian Christmas Pudding. A dessert from Norway. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Melt butter and water, bring to a boil for 5 minutes. Step 2. Add 6 tablespoons flour, stir in with a whisk. Step 3. Wait a few minutes and remove the fat that comes out, this is used later. Step 4. An nbsp, add 1 1/4 cups flour and stir again, add milk which has been heated, use electric mixer to keep it from getting lumpy. Step 5. While beating, add salt, egg and sugar. Step 6. Put in crock pot to keep warm with the skimmed fat poured over pudding and add sugar and cinnamon. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.